Here we present the 5 best room humidifier. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. LEVOIT humidifiers for large room bedroom. Millions of homeowners in the United States turn towards warm mist humidifiers in the winter only to put them into storage when summer comes around. With a 2-in-1 humidifier like the LEVOIT LV600HH, that will never be an issue as it allows you to choose from the warm or cool mist. The LV600H is designed to be used at any time of the year regardless of the climate in your region. There are multiple fan speeds whether you choose the warm or cool mist function. It has a runtime between 20 to 36 hours based on the mist level selected and a 1.5-gallon water tank. Number 2. AIRCARE MA0800 Digital Whole House Evaporative Humidifier. Humidifier needs cutting-edge features or a slick design that puts it on the level of systems from Dyson. Well, if you care more about performance than a humidifier blending in with your decor, the AIRCARE MA0800 Whole House Humidifier is a machine you'll want to consider. The MA0800 isn't as sleek as some of the other systems from AIRCARE. It's also lightweight at 8.5 pounds unfilled. This humidifier has a small digital display, and the controls are just as simple as the design. There are indicators that tell you when to check the filter or fill the tank. Number 3. Pure Enrichment MistAire XL Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. Humidifiers that sit on a countertop or nightstand are the most popular style with many homeowners but aren't necessarily designed to deal with large rooms. The MistAire XL from Pure Enrichment is an exception to the rule and a budget-friendly system that will look great in any space. With a 1-gallon tank and a coverage range of 500 square feet, this system is the smallest humidifier on our list in terms of capacity and size. Weighs less than 3 pounds unfilled. It won't take up much space and can run between 10 to 24 hours before the tank runs dry. Number 4. Venta LW45 Airwasher 2-in-1 Humidifier. When shopping for the best humidifier for large rooms, you're going to notice a lot of manufacturers with 2-in-1 machines. We've featured several on our list, but there is more than one type of hybrid humidifier. The Venta LW45 can't produce warm mist, but it can purify your air while humidifying a room. Looks can be deceiving, and that's the case with the LW45. This nondescript humidifier looks like a large plastic box with some venting and an electronic control panel on the top. As it's a top fill system. While simple, Venta certainly kept ease of use in mind with the LW45. Number 5. AIRCARE D46720 Tower Evaporative Humidifier. AIRCARE is a bit different from the first in both terms of style and performance. The AIRCARE D46720 is a humidifier disguised as a tower fan, and a unique alternative to traditional systems if you need a machine for an area up to 1,200 square feet. While you won't mistake the D46720 tower for a humidifier at first glance, it certainly performs like one. This evaporative humidifier has 2 of the company's large super wick filters in the bottom and dual removable water tanks inside the base. Those tanks can hold a total of 2 gallons of water.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.